So this time we are at the Indonesian History Museum.
This time we will tell you what is in the museum.
For those who are curious, follow us, guys.
The contents of the item in the museum are very diverse. There are around 48 dioramas that tell about Indonesian history. Currently, I am in a diorama which depicts fortune cultivation in Java, where the Diponegoro were resulted in a financial crisis for the Dutch. Likes to collect historical objects. Through museums, the public, especially students, are able to know and learn about the history of each region, apart from being a learning medium and also to introduce history to foreign countries.
The difference between a National History Museum and a national museum. National History Museum, known as Monas, icon of capital city of Jakarta, golden third symbol, and construction began on August 17, 1161, a museum that displays Indonesian history from the prehistoric times and the New Order's era. Whereas National Museum, which is located opposite the National History Museum, known as Elephant Museum, elephant statue symbol, the museum was built in 1861, a museum containing archaeology, history, and ethnography and geography.
Next, there are regulations that are prohibited by this National History Museum, such as smoking, immorality, and also not being allowed to eat. If you want to drink, is allowed. In this museum, it is also not permitted to carry out commercial coverage and such as creating content for personal gain or a brand, and the presence of sponsor or agency banners display. Because this National History Museum is included in the Ring 1 area, so the rules are very strict.
Every day, the Museum Sejarah Nasional is visited by many visitors. During weekdays, the museum is visited by around 2,000 to 4,000 people. For the weekend, the museum is visited by more people, around 7,000 people. And for long holidays, the museum can be visited by far more people than usual days. Visitors can reach 10,000 people and can even reach 12,000 people during the Christmas and New Year holidays.
Every Monday, the museum is closed to sterilize the place where the statue collection will be displayed, and the floors are cleaned. The statue collection is made using candles, must be treated every day using centenary oil by an expert. The use of centenary oil, in addition to making the statue shiny, is also used to prevent insects and mice so as not to damage the statue collection.
Area is included in the cultural heritage because this museum is included in the Ring 1 area, which is guarded and has very strict regulations.